Namaste, dosto. Good afternoon, my dear friends. So, today's topic is on time management. You must be wondering why time management during the lockdown or the quarantine. It's because some of us are not able to manage the time, and especially the people who are working from home are finding it really difficult to manage their time. So, the technique is called 4Ds. What are the 4Ds? It is delete, defer, delegate, and do. Now, when I say delete, what do I mean by delete? Delete those times which are getting wasted. For example, if you are sleeping too much and the time is going a lot in your sleeping, cut down your sleeping time. Then comes defer. Defer is nothing but when you can do small little things when you are available. For example, like cleaning your room. It can be done when you have that free time available, because cleaning of your room would hardly take 15 to 20 minutes. So when you have that good amount of 15 to 20 minutes, it can be done during that time of the day. And then comes delegate. Delegate is nothing but when you can give your work to somebody else. Like, for example, if my mom has a lot of work to do at home, let's say she has to do cooking and washing the utensils, the washing of utensils can be given to me, whereas she can take care of the cooking. So this is how the time can be managed. And the last one is do it. As it says do it, it means that do the important tasks or even the smallest of smallest thing. For example, if we have to take shower, finish taking shower and get over with the work, so that your time management can be managed well and that time can be utilized for something else. So I hope guys you like the technique, follow it, and let's see how it works for everybody of us. So good afternoon, take care, stay home, stay safe, goodbye, Jai Hind.